Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Combine 2 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in a bowl. Stir together. Add 3/4 cup of sugar, mix. Drop the dough by the teaspoon on an ungreased cookie sheet. Place the cookie sheet in the oven that you preheated to 400 degrees.
Take our lead.
Cookies oil option. Use half the amount of oil in cookie recipes that call for butter, but add liquid as needed. So if your recipe calls for 1 cup butter, substitute 1/2 cup oil and add liquid until the dough comes together and looks properly hydrated. If the dough is too greasy, add a little more flour.
Take our lead.
Secrets to thick, soft, and chewy chocolate chip cookies. Underbaked cookies are the secret to softness. Using cornstarch in the dough is another secret to softness, as well as the secret to thickness. Using more brown sugar than white sugar results in a moister, softer cookie.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There is not really a hard and fast rule to the right amount of oil to replace butter, but you can typically use about 3/4 of the amount of butter that is called for in the recipe. For instance, if the recipe calls for 10 tablespoons of butter, you can use about 7.5 tablespoons of oil.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.